Welcome to Compare to Win. The best heel file is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to achieve smooth, healthy skin, offering a revolutionary approach to exfoliation and callus removal that goes beyond traditional methods. This innovative device is designed to tackle even the most stubborn rough patches, leaving your feet feeling incredibly soft and rejuvenated with minimal effort. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver and reach all areas, while the advanced technology provides a powerful yet gentle experience. Whether you're dealing with dry, cracked heels or simply want to maintain a polished look, the heel file promises salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home, making it a must-have for your personal care routine. Number 5. Electric Feet Callus Remover Rechargeable. Tired of rough, dry skin on your feet? Introducing a revolutionary way to achieve smooth, soft skin with ease. This device is designed for your ultimate comfort and convenience. Never worry about batteries again. This foot care tool is rechargeable, offering cordless freedom wherever you go. Its portable design makes it perfect for home or travel. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. It effectively removes dead, hard, and cracked skin, leaving your feet feeling revitalized. Get the professional pedicure you deserve. Experience powerful callus removal without irritation. This electronic foot file is designed to be gentle on your skin while efficiently tackling even the toughest calluses. Enjoy a comfortable and effective treatment. Whether you have dead skin, hard patches, or cracked heels, this tool is your perfect solution. It's designed to address a variety of foot concerns, ensuring your feet look and feel their best. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to beautifully smooth feet. This rechargeable callus remover is the ultimate solution for maintaining healthy, happy feet. It's an essential addition to your personal care routine. What we like? This electric callus remover offers ultimate convenience with its rechargeable battery and portable design. Its powerful motor tackles tough calluses effectively. If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to achieve smooth feet at home, this is your go-to option. What people say. The device is lightweight, easy to hold, and portable, which makes it convenient to use whenever my feet start feeling rough or dry. The rechargeable battery is a big plus because I don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. The roller head works well without being overly harsh, making it safe for regular use if you follow the instructions. Number 4. Colossal Foot Files Kit. Introducing our Colossal Foot Files Kit, a professional solution for your foot care needs. This comprehensive set is designed to give you smooth, soft feet with ease. This kit includes 3 essential tools: a foot scrubber, a double-sided heel file, and a callus remover. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these tools are built to last. They effectively remove dead skin and calluses without causing irritation. Say goodbye to rough, dry skin. Our foot scraper and grater work efficiently to reveal smoother, healthier-looking feet. It's the perfect tool for tackling even the toughest calluses. Enjoy the confidence of silky smooth feet. This pedicure tool set is your secret weapon for maintaining soft, beautiful feet every day. Designed for comfort and convenience, these foot files are simple to use and easy to clean. Get ready to pamper your feet with this essential kit. What we like? This kit provides a robust and long-lasting solution with its stainless steel construction. The dual-sided grit offers versatility for different needs. If you prefer a manual approach and want a tool that can handle significant dead skin, this set is ideal for you. What people say. The heel file is a game-changer for nail care, offering a smooth and efficient way to shape and refine nails without causing damage. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver for precise results, and the durable construction promises long-lasting performance. Number 3. ZenToes Moisturizing Socks. Say goodbye to dry, cracked heels. Our moisturizing socks are designed to deeply hydrate and repair your skin. Enriched with vitamin E, olive oil, and jojoba oil, these socks provide intensive nourishment. Experience a spa-like treatment right at home. Slip into ultimate comfort with our fuzzy blue socks. They lock in moisture to leave your feet feeling soft and revitalized. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These spa socks are ideal for any woman, especially for Mother's Day. Designed for a regular fit, they ensure maximum contact with your skin for effective treatment. Enjoy softer, healthier looking heels. What we like. Experience deep hydration and pampering with these specially designed socks. They are infused with nourishing ingredients like vitamin E and oils. If your heels are severely cracked and dry, and you desire a spa-like treatment to restore softness, these socks are perfect for you. What people say. The socks are nice and thick, and after just one use overnight, my heels were noticeably smoother. Even better, the results lasted about a week without needing any extra lotion. The gel pad inside, at the heel, was still working just fine. Anyway, this new set includes 2 pairs, with a gel pad inside each heel area. Results are truly amazing, I kid you not. You can use them without a moisturizer, but I like to put moisturizer on my heels, then wear these overnight, and in the morning my heels are soft, with no dry skin and no cracks. Infused with vitamin E, olive oil, and jojoba seed oil, these socks are designed to soften and hydrate dry, cracked heels, offering both comfort and skincare benefits. The infusion of vitamin E, olive oil, and jojoba seed oil delivers deep hydration to my feet, effectively softening and healing dry, cracked heels. Number 2. 36-in-1 Professional Pedicure Kit. Introducing our comprehensive 36-in-1 Pedicure Kit, designed for ultimate foot care. Achieve salon-quality results right in your own home. This kit includes professional-grade tools to tackle all your foot care needs. It's perfect for both personal use and salon professionals. Easily remove dead skin and calluses with our specialized foot rasp. Reveal smoother, softer skin with minimal effort. Whether you're pampering yourself at home or providing services at a salon, this set has you covered. Enjoy convenience and effectiveness. Transform your feet with this all-in-one solution. It's the perfect way to maintain healthy, beautiful feet all year round. What we like. This extensive kit offers a complete solution for all your foot care needs. It includes a wide array of professional-grade tools for various treatments. If you're a professional or someone who wants a comprehensive set for thorough home pedicures, this kit provides everything you need. What people say. The heel file has a unique design that makes it easy to hold and maneuver. Its sharp blades effectively remove dead skin without causing irritation. The file is made of durable stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting use. Number 1. Bare August Glass Foot File. Are you struggling with dry, cracked heels? Do you wish for softer, smoother feet? We have the perfect solution for you. This innovative tool is designed to gently yet effectively remove dead skin and calluses. Achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. Whether you prefer to use it in the shower or on dry skin, it delivers exceptional results. Its versatile design makes foot care a breeze. Reveal your softest, smoothest feet with regular use. It's the ideal pedicure tool for maintaining healthy, beautiful feet year-round. Crafted from high-quality glass, this foot file is built to last. It's also incredibly easy to clean, ensuring hygienic use every time. Make this your go-to tool for all your foot care needs. Experience the difference it makes in achieving the soft feet you've always desired. What we like. Achieve soft, smooth feet with this innovative glass file. Its unique surface provides gentle yet effective exfoliation, and it's safe to use in the shower. If you're looking for a safe, hygienic, and gentle way to remove dead skin without harshness, this tool is an excellent choice. What people say. My calluses and dryness were erased within 10 seconds per foot, leaving soft, supple, smooth and even shiny skin on my feet. It removes dead skin and smooths my heels without being too harsh. It's sturdy, easy to rinse clean, and doesn't wear down like pumice stones. It is comfortable to hold, and the file surface is just the right texture. It removes dry, rough skin effortlessly without being too harsh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.